Hi all, in this video we'll see how to file Form 10IC. Form 10IC has to be filed by all domestic companies which are opting Section 115BAA. This Section 115BAA has been introduced by Government of India in the Finance Act 2020. This section provides concession rate of tax at 22%. By adding surcharge and says the effective tax rate on the company will be 25.168%, which will be still the lowest rate of taxes. Now let's see how to file Form 10IC. So here I have taken a company for which I am going to file the Form 10IC. I have already logged into the company. Now I'll go to my e-filing. In the e-filing tab, I will choose income tax forms. Here I have to choose a form name. So the form name is Form 10IC. You can also see the name here, application for exercising the option under section 115BAA. So this is the latest concession rate of taxes which is being introduced by the Government of India. Then I'll select submission mode as prepare and submit online. Continue. Once I select the form 10IC, here I have to fill only 6 pieces of information. So starting from first one, these are form which I already filled in. So I'll explain what are the 6 information which we have to give in form 10IC. The first one will be whether it is a domestic company or not. Yes, it is a domestic company. We have to choose option yes. Second thing we have to give is the nature of business or activity of the company. Here we have sector and also subsector. So according to the nature of the business, we can select the sector here, and within the sector, we can also choose a subsector. Now in case, if you are not able to see your sector here, for example, if in any case, if you are not able to choose your sector here, you can go to the other services, and then you can go to other services again in the subsector as well. So this is a last option only when you are not able to choose your defined sector. But most of the cases, your defined sector will always be mentioned in the IT portal. Now the third information which we have to fill is whether the company has any unit in IFFC. So here we have to give again no, then continue further. And the fourth is whether option under section 115BA has been opted or not. And this section 115BA is also a concession rate of tax which has been introduced prior, like 2 years before the Finance Act 2020. So here we'll say no again, and here we'll mention the place. And the last information which we have to fill is the address of the director. So once I fill the address of the director, I can directly go and submit the form now. Better, whenever you are filling the form, you can have a save mode as well. So you can select this option, save as a draft. So this will ensure that whenever you log out again and again log in, your details which you have filled in were already recorded. No need to fill it again. Now I'll go and submit the form. I'll click this button, preview and submit. Now once I submit, I can review my form, whether all the information is coming correctly or not. If not, then I can go and edit it here again. Now I'll click the button, submit. Once I submit the button, now I have to attach my DSC. That is a discharge signature of the director. Now, if you have the DSC utility already in your system, you can directly open your DSC utility and start generating the DSC. If not, you can click the download option here, so which will download the DSC utility. Now I'm downloading it on my desktop. You can right click and extract the files here. Once you give the double click, the DSC utility will open. Here you have to select the register or reset password using DSC. Let me enter the user ID and PAN here. I have entered the user ID and PAN. Here in the DS utility, entering the e-filing user ID will be the company PAN number. Then next enter PAN number of the DSC, that the person whose DSC we are using for filing this form. So his PAN has to be entered here. Now one caution has to be made here. Like whenever you are attaching a DSC, use a DSC whose DSC is already been registered in the income tax portal. To check whose DSC is registered, you can always go to the profile setting and choose My Profiles. In the My Profile section, you can see the PAN of the company as well as the principal contact. I mean, whose DSC, I mean the director whose DSC has been registered already. So I have taken only that director DSC and I'm using that for filing the Form 10AC. So I'll directly go to the DSC utility now and generate the file. I'll select the DSC of the person and I say generate signature file. I have saved the digital signature file which I have generated. Now I'll go to Form 10IC. Here I have already saved the data, so no need to enter again. I will directly go and submit. I will choose the file. This is a digital signature file which I have generated and I say submit. So you can see the pop-up box here saying Form 10AC has been filed successfully. So this is how you have to file the Form 10AC. Thank you for watching.
Get 300 plus services. Chat and email with our team directly. Get stunning discounts and rewards. Only on Vakil Search app. Download now.